guys, welcome back to the channel. We just pulled into camp, got here in Tennessee. We get camp set up real quick and I'll show you around. We got a few new things we're gonna have for this particular camp night. So let me get things set up and we'll show you around. All right guys, we just got everything set up. I'm gonna show you around the spot real quick. This is the Hipcamp in Pelham, Tennessee. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to reserve this spot. They do have water here. They've got a little outhouse bathroom, and they give you some pretty nice, there's a fire spot right over there if you bring your own wood. So pretty nice. We here with a friend of mine and his wife, and me and my wife are here. So we got the Runaway camper and the rooftop tent. But let me show you around the spot real quick. This is where you come in at. It's off the main road, which that's kind of a bummer. I didn't realize it was on the main road, but that's okay. I'm sure tonight it'll calm down. There's a shed here. I'm sure it's just for their belongings to keep everything, whatever they got going on. You got some potable water over here. There is some hookups over here. So that's pretty nice. A little bin, looks like for the garbage, perhaps. Yep. Yep, bin for your garbage. That's pretty cool. And then down there is an outhouse. So, but yeah, pretty nice little spot. It's on gravel. It's almost 100% level, which is really nice. Okay, so in here we've got our new heated blanket. Really excited to get to use that tonight. We got our Opus power station I just did a review on. You guys can check that out. But my wife and I was sleeping in the Runaway, and we got a new mattress for the tent. Let me show you that. Okay, this is up in the tent. We have this Lost Horizon. It's like an air mattress, but it's got like a memory foam top. Really nice. Josh and his wife are going to be on here sleeping on that tonight. We put it right on top of the mattress that comes on the tent, so it should be perfect. And this is the view. Let's get there right outside the tent. I'll come around and show y'all the whole view. But yeah, tent is set up. Should be perfect. Whew. Good morning, guys. Man, I think it got down to about I think right now it's cold as it was all night, so it's like 23 out right now. But it's actually pretty nice morning. There's frost on everything, so we're gonna get packed up, go into town, get some breakfast, and but first I'm gonna sit in the truck and warm up. We had a heated blanket which worked pretty well last night, but the power bank wasn't quite big enough to run it all night, so it cut off around 5 a.m. So I'm gonna warm up, we'll get packed up, head into town. But as far as the day goes, it's a really nice looking day out. So I'll see y'all in a bit. All right guys, we made it into town here. We didn't bring anything for breakfast, so we hit the old Reliable. Where's the sign at? Anyway, it's Cracker Barrel. So we're gonna hit a couple shops here in Chattanooga, and then we're gonna head to the hotel. We got a hotel room tonight, and we're heading out in the morning. So if there's anything worth filming later, I will film it. All right, we'll see you later. First place we stopped was a place called McKay's in Chattanooga. This place was huge. They had records, books, CDs, musical instruments, comics, all kinds of stuff. I think we spent 90 bucks on 15 books. Definitely worth a stop. All right guys, well, all we've been doing today is we went to McKay's, which is like a used bookstore. My wife wanted to go to a used bookstore, so that's what we did. We went there. We're kind of hanging out right now. We're at a loft here in Chattanooga, waiting for our room to open up. I was gonna hang out there all night, hit some Cheesecake Factory. They got a Cheesecake Factory right next to it, right there. So should be a good spot. I'll check in with y'all later. Hotel we stayed at was in a loft in Chattanooga. We stayed at one of these years ago in Tucson, Arizona. The one out there was quite a bit more modern, but this one was really nice. No complaints on this at all. Well guys, man, we had a great time. Had some Cheesecake Factory last night. Just hung out in the hotel room. My wife wanted to watch the new season of You on Netflix. We watched that. And yeah, I'm about to pack up, head back to town. I think it's probably 25 degrees out right now. It's cold, it's windy, but anyway, here's the old girl. Gonna get her packed up and get back to some warmer weather. We'll see you in the next one.